please subscribe and click the bell icon because I need one subscriber, and like the video and comment if you have any question. And download Telegram app and search Mr. MrWip, search MrWip and click here on the public channel, and you have every question your problem will solve here. Okay, thanks.
Hello, in this video I will show you how to solve the problem. You cannot send friend request now. So for how this happen and why this happen. So for this purpose you have to just open the Telegram and uh, search here MrWip Mr. Wip and click on this button. When you have clicked, just after this click on this is will be present to you. Just click this. Okay, when you click this, the channel come to you. You have to join. If you have any question you can ask, and this is the website in which all your problem are solved. Okay, when you open this website, all your problem will solve. Okay, so now for the test, you so what can you do? What is my question? My question is how. So if you cannot send friend request right now, so how can you just go to the Facebook? When you go to the Facebook, there is when you send want to send any friend request. For this purpose, if you have sent many requests, the Facebook don't want to allow you, so you have to wait for a time, and after that time you have just simply click on the add friend. Okay, then the friend request will be sent. Okay, so you have to wait for this and don't try to send many friend requests at one time, because this is happening after that. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like a video, please leave a like and comment and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.